My eyes recently, I am not sure why. The only thing I can think of, and remember this is speculations, is that I am in the 5G world, or I call it the smog world. And my eye started to blur. It goes on the blurry. And I couldn't understand, like, I've researched around, and also too, when I look at a light, like a small light at night, I would see a rainbow. And then I searched around and I saw this thing that says if you see a rainbow around your eyes, you might be going blind. I was like, uh-oh. But anyway, so I started to research a little bit, but then I have never drank dandelion root tea before, none whatsoever, and no, I'm not advertising for anyone. This is purely personal experience. So I said, okay, I'm going to give this a try because, it's dandelion. What else can I go wrong, right? I heard a lot of benefits about them. I heard a lot of things, good things about them. But I had no idea, seriously, no idea whatsoever was about to happen. As soon as I made this, and let me give you the recipe. Every one package is 1 cup, 8 ounces. Then I add 2 more extra on top of that. So 10 cup is 12. Okay? Just let's make that easy. So then I put them into a plain jar like this. Okay? To cool it down so I can put them in my fridge. And I drink 8 ounces. This is an 8 ounce. This is 1 cup up to here. Okay? And within 2 days, I was peeing like crazy. Because, that's the whole point of this, is to make myself pee. And I pee a lot when I drink this. And I'm supposed to clean my system out. That was my main intention. So every day in the morning, I drink 1. In the afternoon, I drink 1. Sometimes in the evening, I dosed it another 1. So average 2 to 3 cups. At first, I said, no, I'm going to drink just 2. The second day is, okay, I'm going to drink 3. By the third day comes, my eyes started to clear out. Like normally, I would have problem seeing that. It would be a blur. Now, my eyes can actually see. Yes. Oh my gee. Dandelion root tea. I'll say it again. Dandelion root tea helps eyes. Or clear. It's not as clear. Because when I'm driving, I can still see. I was having a problem. I had to actually wear blue light blockers. And that helps a lot. But at certain time, I started to see it blur out. And then, if I sleep the next day, it's starting to be okay again. But then during the day, it's starting to blur out. And I could not understand that. This has been going on for about 4 to 5 months now. Since I got my amping. And then it actually fluctuates. So I'm not sure yet. Like I said, this video is speculation. The only thing that helps so far is this tea. Yes. And then I start to search around. It actually helps with eyes. So yes, that is a confirmed now that dandelion root tea does help with my eyes. Or, in my case, my eyes. It's clearly stated it helps with eyes. But I did not do that for this purpose. I did this to like to do a little detox, see what happened to my body. And come to find out that the third day I had it nice and clear. Like I can see really nice and clear now. to the distance that I don't normally do. And like I stated before, when I look at lights at night, I often see a rainbow, a ring of rainbow around it. Like if this light is this big, a ring of rainbow is like about 6 to 8 inches circumferences. Yep. So let's say if the light was right here, this is the big right here, almost as big as that. And now it's no longer there. So I can confirm for sure that it does something. Although like I stated before, speculations, but for me personally, it actually helps me with eyes. And I've seen few people, not a lot of people, that actually talk about this at all. And some of the videos, they actually they don't let them, they don't, I mean, I don't want to say it, but I don't know, shadow banning them. I don't know, for purposes that I can't say on the video either. So anyway, I don't want to get into that because I might get banned myself, right? Or they might just do this on this video. But anyway, so if you research into this, there are many benefits about this. But add this special one on because there are only a few videos that actually talk about eyes. And yes, dandelion root tea helps with eyes. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next video.